How to make your TikTok account not private. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can make your new TikTok account absolutely not private. So let me show you what the issue is. Let's say that you just created a new TikTok account in this case, and then all of a sudden your account is actually private for no reason at all and you don't understand why. Keep in mind that when you created your TikTok account, let's say that you actually put an underage account. For example, if you're under 13 or let's say some kind of age, your TikTok account is most likely going to remain private because TikTok is simply going to follow that guideline. Maybe you need to be at least some years of age in order to be able to go ahead and then make your account public. So in that case, I'll just recommend you to actually create a new account again with an updated date of birth, because obviously you will not be able to make the current account public in any other way. If you do have the option, then once you come to your profile page, you have to tap on the three lines from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, here at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option called settings and privacy. Once you look for the option called settings and privacy, what you have to do is you'll find the option called privacy over here. Tap on privacy, and most likely in your case the private account could be turned on, and which is basically that no one else other than you will be able to view your posts and photos. So you just have to turn off this icon over here. Once you turn off the icon, here you'll find the option called switch to public account. So just select the option called switch. Once you select the option called switch right over here, now you can see our private account has been turned off. Now other people who follow us, or whether or not they follow us or not, doesn't matter, they'll be able to view successfully our posts and videos. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually make your new TikTok account not private. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.